Hello. So today I will tell you how you can create an email on Gmail account. So it is very easy process. Just follow me step by step. First open the link gmail.com and click on create account and select on personal use. Now put in your first name and your last name. Click next and then select your date of birth from here and gender and click next. And now you have to select a unique username. When you are satisfied with it, then click next. Now you have to set up your password. Now select your country from here and put your phone number. Click next and you will receive a SMS with a code. Put it here and now put any recovery email address if you have any previous. If not, then just click skip. And here's your email. Now click next and agree to the terms and conditions and you will be logged into your Gmail. And don't forget to write down your email address and your password you have chosen for this ID. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave the like and subscribe the channel. But first of all, click like and subscribe the channel.